Okay, now we move on to the fourth question of self help speaking, which is making predictions. Like the name suggests, you need to predict or think about what the person is going to do next. So, an interesting fact is that the same picture will get repeated, and now we need to use the future tense because future tense is important in this. Your grammar is rated on the kind of sentences you make based on prediction. And for prediction, it is something which they will do next or they will do in the future. So they are not doing that action right now, which is why it is not in present tense. They will do the action in the future. So since they're going to do the action in the future, we have to use future tense, and a lot of will and will be will help you here. What that person will do next. So you have to think about each person, his action in the preparation time of 30 seconds, and then you get a recording time of 60 seconds where you have to record what you think he will do next. Again, they're not going to judge you or think about your English or your score based on what you predict. You can just say anything that the little dog is going to run after whatever the boy throws. So will run after. So we are using future and we're saying will. The girl will stop reading her book and she will start playing with the other two people. And here you have the person again, the boy. So the boy will also run after the dog to pick up the object he's going to throw or whatever he's going to throw. And finally, you can state that they will go back home since the day would be over and shortly the sun will set. So now it's up to you. What you predict will not affect your scores, but your grammar and vocabulary for prediction is important. So try that you pick up a lot of things around probability. So there's a high probability that there's a huge chance that. So make sure that you are using a lot of probability words also. It seems like there's a chance that there's a high probability that. So and don't forget to use will or will be. That's going to really boost your score because you are using predictive words plus you're using your future tense. So main two things which you need to remember: first future tense, and two, talk about them with will or will be. You do not need to describe the scene again in present tense. Just restrict yourself to what they will do next, and whatever you want to speak about their next action, it's up to you. You can say what they will do, you can even talk about a change in emotion that will happen, but the words have to be in the future tense.